Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. So I am, and if you're new here, I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes, shopping hauls, and today I have a subscription box. Does anyone know what this is? Okay, so I have EyeScream Beauty, and let's get to it. Okay, so here's the box. I'm going to open it up and give you a first sneak peek here. It comes with a little card that tells what's in the box. There's a sampling, and so let's get started here. All right, the first thing I'm gonna pull out here is, it's a lip product, and this is, let's see what this is. This is Beauty for Certain, and it is a matte liquid lipstick valued at $22. There's the box, and here is there it goes. So, and I love the color. In fact, this would look really good with what I have on today. There's a sampling of the color. I don't need it because I have stuff on, but anyway, I've used this before. I really like this product, so I'm happy to get it. And a $22 lipstick isn't too bad. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out here is this is really tiny. It's a loose shimmer palette pigment, I should say. And I don't want to make a big mess, but I'm going to lift this up and just kind of show you right here what it looks like. I think I'm going to take a little dip in it. And see what, I'm not sure how to use it. Okay, it looks kind of like, almost like it's just a glitter. I don't know, can you see that, the shine here? So, it's really pretty. But I don't know if I guess it looks like it could be buildable. It's something that looks like it might just be nice to put on your chest or something. If you want to sparkle, go out sparkling. Let's see what this says. I'm just curious what it says. Need my glasses here. So there's that. Loose Shimmer Pigment by Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. This is valued at $10. To complement our eyeshadow collaboration, we have decided to include one of Mermaid Scales' signature pigment powders. This is a loose eyeshadow pigment with shimmer inside. It offers a very intense color. Mermaid Scales Cosmetics has also offered a discount, so with code EYESSCREAM on their entire site. So Mermaid Scales USA, you can get a discount too. I think maybe if I had a brush, it would go on a little stronger than that. I don't know if you can see the blue here. The shimmer is very pretty. So anyway, that's that. So our third item here, and I didn't really explain if you're not familiar with EyeScream Beauty. It is a monthly beauty subscription. You pay $25 for the box, and I think there's a small shipping fee. I went ahead and did a long-term subscription, so I think I'm paying like $22 maybe a box. So, and I think that was a 6-month subscription that can be renewed. So anyway, that's that. The next thing I'm showing here is from Charmacy. They are using Charmacy. It looks like the Charmacy and Mermaid Scales Cosmetics are the two that they're featuring. And then also the Beauty for Certain lipstick. But anyway, they are indie brand makeup. EyeScream Beauty Box always has an eyeshadow palette, and they do carry indie brand makeup, which is fun to discover. They are on top of sharing trendy things. Rarely do they share or give skincare. It's mostly makeup, although today I have a really good skincare product. When they do send skincare, it's always a good quality high-end product. So that's good. So the third thing I'm going to show is from Charmacy, and this is a multi-chrome liquid eyeliner, and it's valued at $12. Open it up here, and yay, they had 4 colors they offered, but I really wanted the pink one for some reason. It's pink, but it also shows up green, so it's kind of tricky. But I'm going to share a example here. Let's see here. Can you see that there? Kind of looks purple. Anyway, it's really pretty. So might get daring and try this as an eyeliner. So now I am going to get to the skincare product. They have something from Earth Harbor this month. I love Earth Harbor products. I've been using different ones. This one's a moisturizer, which is something that I like to get moisturizers because you can always use a moisturizer. This is Mermaid Milk. How fitting. Do you love how they follow the theme, the mermaid theme, throughout the month? And they even got an Earth Harbor product that is called Mermaid Milk. So this is just, like I said, it's a moisturizer. I don't know. It kind of has a scent, a little, kind of a fruity, clean though, clean scent. Feels good going on. So that's exciting. So I don't have this product, although I do have other Earth Harbor products that I really like. So I don't think I've used this one yet. So that's a good one to get. And that is valued at $42. So really good value, great product, happy with that. And so now I am down to the bottom, and what am I missing? I'm missing the palette. So what palette did we get this month? We got, it's called, of course, it's called Mermaid Tales. Like, how fitting is that? And it's also by Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. Mermaid Scales and EyeScream Beauty collaborated this together. So anyway, it looks like it might be purples, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay, well, there is a purple, but that's not all there is. Here's the color palette. It's very colorful. If I can get the glare off there. There's that. Oh gosh, I really want to sample some of these, but I'm not positive I'm going to keep this. I want to. I actually really like it. Okay, what the heck. This is mine because I'm going to sample it. Let's see what we can get here. Since it's purple, let's do the purple here. Okay, now these do kind of have an iridescence to them. I really like that. So there's purple. Let's do the hot pink next to it. There's that one. Okay, what one do we want to do now? Should we do one of the glitter? Let's do the glitter green. They have really, oh, this is, whoa, check that out. That is so fun. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that is so amazing. I love it. Okay, let's try this blue one here. This is another iridescent-y. Oh, look at that. That's just 4 examples. I'm gonna keep going. I'm liking this. Did I bring something to, I don't think I brought anything to wipe my fingers off with. So I don't know, let's see here. Got a pink, bright pink. Let's do the yellow here. Now this one isn't as strong. It's just not a very good one. Okay, let's do orange. Let's see what this orange one is gonna be bright probably. There's orange. Okay, we got some fun colors here. So this is a fun palette. Like, go run and sign up for Ice Cream Beauty. I do have a link down below in the description so you can get a discount if you'd like. And so let's round this up here. We've got the palette, the amazing palette. Okay, and we've got the lippy. We've got the hot pink, purple, green, whatever, the iridescent eyeliner. That's exciting. We have the, I'm excited to play with this. This is the, what was this again? The Loose Shimmer Pigment by Mermaid Scales Beauty. So there's that. And last but not least, our skincare item. And I'm really happy with that. So I think Ice Cream Beauty did pretty good this month. I'm happy with it, and I can't wait to see what we have next month. I also get the Ice Cream Beauty bag. The bag is $12.50 a month, and I just shared that. Did I share that a couple days ago? So you can go watch that video if you would like. Yeah, it'll be posted by now, I think. So yeah, so the bag you get, it's $12.50, but you always get an eyeshadow palette, and then anywhere from sometimes 3 to 5 items, but it's usually about 3 to 4 total with the palette. So it's a great thing too. I love it. So if you want to check out that video, you can. I'll put a link up here for that. And I hope you enjoyed this. All right, and thank you for being here. I would love it if you would join my new, go check out my new Instagram for beauty. That's listed below also in the descriptions. Follow me. Also hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to have your support here. I love what I do. And guys, we will see you in the next one. Alrighty, bye-bye friends. Me and my colorful hands are saying bye-bye.